So the great thing about these meals is, besides the fact that you're eating a good healthy meal within 5 minutes of walking in your door, they are cheap. I have Costco nearby. I don't have the patience for Costco, so it was just the grocery store chickens that were pre-made, so it was a bit more expensive. But $42 for 11 meals, you can't beat that. One of the quick, easy ways of tearing these chickens apart and divvying them up into these nice little dishes, these like surgical gloves. They're great. Just, you don't have to worry about crap getting under your nails, and then you're good to go. You can pretty much put anything you want. Anything that freezes well can go in these babies. Frozen mixed vegetables, chicken. I did a little bit more chicken in each one than I normally do, so I only got 10 meals rather than 12. All set and ready to go. All I have to do is throw the lids on, throw them in the freezer, and they're good. Come home, 5 minutes, I'm eating a good, healthy, homemade dinner. Cheaper than eating out every day.